In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add an image to a GitHub project for its social media preview. This is useful for making your repository look more professional when you share its link online. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign into your account. From your dashboard, open the repository where you want to add the preview image. Once you're inside the repository, click Settings from the top menu. From the left sidebar, select General if it isn't already selected. Now scroll down until you find the Social Preview section. Here, click Edit or Upload an image and select the image you want to use from your computer. Once the image has been uploaded, you'll see a preview of how it will appear when your repository link is shared. If everything looks good, save the changes. Your GitHub repository will now use this image as its social media preview when the repository link is shared on supported platforms. That's how to add an image to a GitHub project for a social media preview. Thanks for watching.